Good morning, everybody. Al Southern is off this week, so you have your trusty state climatologist to guide you through the program. And let's start out with the obvious. It's summer and it's hot. That dreaded heat dome is camped over Oklahoma and the southern plains. This is normal for July, so nothing to be worried about, but it certainly makes it miserable as we've gone through the last week or two. And this is the result of all of our rain when combined with that heat dome. Lots of evaporation, turning all that surface water, soil moisture, and transpiration from plants into water vapor, which leads to heat indices into the 110s at times. So we've been really hot, but we've also been really moist and sultry. Certainly not a pleasant week in Oklahoma. Another byproduct of the heat dome, all the storm systems get deflected up and over Oklahoma and the southern plains. So our rainy days are apparently over for a while. Hopefully we'll see something next week, but until then we're going to be high and dry and hot and dry. Now for some good news. The latest outlook from the National Weather Service's Climate Prediction Center for the August through October period still sees above normal rainfall chances for Oklahoma, at least through that time period. Again, we have that El Nino out in the Equatorial Pacific, lots of soil moisture available, so hopefully we will see that moisture continue into the fall when we really need it for planting season. And with that good news, we come to the U.S. Seasonal Drought Outlook. Again, we see no chances, at least according to the Climate Prediction Center, for drought to develop across Oklahoma through the end of October, and that would be certainly wonderful news and much different than what we've seen over the last 4 or 5 years. Speaking of which, another great milestone for the Drought Monitor. With the loss of the final remaining abnormally dry yellow spot in the Panhandle, we now have a color-free Drought Monitor map for the first time since May 25th of 2010, and then may that be the start of a long string of color-free maps. So it's pretty simple. We got the heat dome. We have a sort of a normal July situation, possibly chance for some showers and thunderstorms next week. When you're watching this, hopefully we're seeing those in the forecast, and then we'll just see what August brings. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.